Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to make the InternetCafe payment calculation system using VB.net. Here let us show the demo first. Here when the person sit on the machine, automatically time will be starting, elapsed time will be starting. Uh, if the person using more than 50 minutes, it's calculated as 15 rupees, right? Each 15 minutes the amount will be added, right? So how to calculate the amount calculation using VB.net, let me see. Right, now what I am going to do is here, go to the file, new project, now here select VB Visual Basic, Windows application, click OK. Right, now your new application has been created successfully. Now first what I am going to do is here, I am going to design the stuff first, right? Now let's design the form first. First you have to drag one panel. Right. Now here first what I am going to do is here we have to drag one label on the panel. Here we have to write the heading Internet Cafe. Right. Select this one. You have to increase the font. Right. Perfect. Right. Now what I am going to do is we select this panel. You have to change the color. The background color we have to change it as this color, dark red. Font color I am going to change it as white. Right, perfect. Internet Cafe, we have to change the spelling internet, press enter key. Right, perfect. Now what I am going to do is here, right, now what I am going to do is here, you have to write time and elapsed time, right? So you have to drag two labels, time here we have to write time. Select two labels, font you have to change it as 22. Right. Right, now what I am going to do is here we have to, these two things we have to, these two big font should be, we have to reduce that as 18. Right, now here we drag two text boxes, we have to select two text boxes, we have to increase the font size as 16. Right, now what I am going to say, we need a one button, so write int. Right. After that we have to write one panel, like this one we have to, back color we have to change this one as a black, drag one label, here this label I am going to, font color I am going to change it as, font size I am going to change it 20, and we have the foreground color white. Right, now here this one should be, we have to write here as amount, same thing, same text, control C to copy, control V to paste here, you have to arrange like this. This color I am going to change it as yellow. Right, perfect. Now what I am going to do is select this form, we have to when the form is started, starting position you have to change it as center screen. Start. Right. Here it's working fine. Now what I am going to do is here I am going to write the code. So right click, view code. Here we have to write private timer. We have to create the variable as boolean equal false. You have to write Control X to cut off, Control V to paste here. Right. After that, what I am going to do is here we have to write the second variable I am going to create, private. You have to write help start as date time. After that you have to write another thing is the same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one should be start time. After that you have to write another thing is same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to paste. This one should be the CUMN date. CUM value you have to write like this. Okay. This one as integer, you have to write integer. Right. Now we have to write another variable stopwatcher. You have to write the stopwatcher class. You have to create private. You have to write watcher. Watch. Create the variable. This one should be the stopwatch. Right. Perfect. Now what I'm going to, when the form is loaded, we have to set the timer also as well. Right click, double click on this form load. You have to write set the timer. So you have to write set the timer as timer 1 dot. You have to write interval. Sorry, timer, I didn't place the timer, that's a problem. So write timer, drag here. Right, you have to place the timer successfully. Now what I am going to do is now you have to write timer 1 dot interval. You have set as 1000. After that you have to timer 1 enable true start time. This Control C to copy, Control V to paste here, equal now. After that this watcher, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here, dot start. You start the watch. That's the thing first you have to write. Okay. After that what I am going to do is here we have to write the timer tick code. So double click on this one. You have to write here the text box. This is the text box 2. This is text box 1. Text box 2, this elap date calculate. We have to do the first things, right? So text box 2 dot text switch this one stopwatcher, get it here, dot elapsed. There's a property called elapsed dot toString. Here we have to write the specify the current time. We have to specify the current time. How to write the time, right? First hours. After that you have to write slash colon minutes. After that slash colon second. We have to write like this. This is the efficient way to write the time, right? After that you have to write if date if this one, this function we have to write here date interval dot minutes comma start date start time start time start time this one, or start time control C to copy, control V to paste the start time here. After that now mean we have to call it now, right? That's the thing we have to write. After that we have to write greater than equal 15 minutes. If it is more than 15 minutes, then we have to write what's the problem here, right? We have to write the end if, that's the problem. If you write if, we have to write the end if, the problem we have to write end if. Right, then then keyword. Right, now what I'm going to see, what is the problem, then the break we have to write, we have to close the the bracket. The bracket I haven't closed it. You start the bracket, date if, date if we don't need the bracket here, right? That's the problem. Okay, perfect. Now what I'm going to see, we have to write this one. So to get the right here, this one, start time, control C to copy, control V to paste here, this start time, this variable, control C to copy, get it here. We have to write set the time, set the price, each 15 minutes we have to set the price as 50, right? Each 50 minutes, if you are surfing the internet each 15 minutes, we have to calculate the amount as 15 minutes, right? If you are surfing internet per 1 hour, we have to calculate the 1 hour price. Okay, so we have each and every 15 minutes we have to calculate the amount, right? 15 minutes. Okay, so we have to write it like this. Okay, now what I am going to do is here we have to print the amount here in this label, right? Label 5, you have to print the label 5. So label 5 dot text equal this time, control C to copy, control V to paste here, dot toString. After that we have to write the start time now. Start time, control C to copy, control V to paste here, equal now. After that we have to write this. After that we have to write this text box 1. We have to, this current time we have to get it here. We have to write here text box 1 dot text equal now dot toString. Now we have to write here hour, minutes, second, TT, like this, right? That's the thing we have to write. After that what I am going to see, we have this button, double click on this, we have to end this one. So you write switch this one dot stop. After that you have to write timer dot enable false. If you click the stop button, right, all the stuff you have to false it. Now let's start and see. What's the error here? Now what is the problem here is we have to stop it. We have to write a new keyword. That's the problem here, right? Switch new, right here. Now let's run and check. Here it's working fine. Now here the current is current time. This is the elapsed time here, right? Now let's wait until the 15 minutes. What happened? The amount will be, right? I will show you. After 50 minutes, you can check the time here, right here. After the 50 minutes, here you have to check the amount here, 50 rupees, right? Each and every 50 minutes its amount should be calculated. After 50 minutes it's calculated as 100, right? It's very simple here. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me.